Hello, hello, hello. This is your Dallas spiritual reader. You see this young lady? Her name is Alexis. Yes, it's another Alexis missing. Let's go there. You see, I have a king that is on target with the missing situation. That's not a gang sign. That's his logo. You know, he's that dude from Ratchet TV. That dude, that motto is who he is. A king that has the third leg, that's using it in producing a better, a great, a understanding of character of a true black man. He takes a risk of his soul, that one soul that's trying to make a difference. But in this case, my dude, I know why you implanted on this energy. In my opinion, your daughter reminds you of Lexus. She has the same beauty. And as a father, you're feeling it. See, sometimes being a reader, you don't know you have the ingredients. Must I say? Ratchet TV, give it a buck because you're doing your thing. And I must say, I salute you from the Dallas spiritual reader. Okay, now I gotta reiterate on something that I didn't want to touch, because Ratchet is doing an excellent job in delivery of this energy from an entity that was spiritual. She believed in curses and demonic force because she was living in it. It's called Masons. Please excuse me, because in channeling, I can skip over my words. I can go in and out. But Alexis, follow these eyes. She wants to be found. Sad times, though. They're looking in the wrong place. She's in the woods, being misunderstood by her family because of that nigga, must I say. They didn't know the endurance, the heavy endurance that this entity was experiencing. She was always in her mind, trying to keep it together. This man wanted Alexis. Body remains for her to come home. I want to try to channel this without just being disrespectful to the soul, must I say, or the family, or the mom. If you notice the demeanor of her mom, it's where she got her class from. A very humble, non-vulgar woman until you upset her. She knows, as a mother instinct knows, the condition of her child, must I say. Peace be still, mother. But I want to go on and reiterate to the situation that put us here in this energy of Alexis Ware. Look into her eyes. Do you see what I see? The introvert side. Secrets in room. Trying to keep it together. It's very complex when you have to deal with the person behind, the person that abused you, the person behind the door. She was on Instagram. She called herself Lex Goddess. Over 20,000 followers. A success of her own. She was always colorful because colors brought us joy. But the content inside her was so disturbed. You see, Alexis allegedly loved to make money. She loved the media attention. Cause see, that was things she could separate from her endeavors. Do you see what I see? The attention of sorrow. Having the culture of a black woman. Body was her addiction of fame. It graduated people to her, male and female. But I want to show you the energy she pulled that possibly, allegedly, took her life. You see, I want to iterate that things change, allegedly, once she met Mr. Lowdown. Before I go deeper, I want people to know, especially you pastors, I do not do or implement on tarot cards. I do not play games when it comes to life. You know, some pastors will say that's witchcraft, or readers, spiritual readers, or demons. Well, I don't know who you preach to, but I know I love God, my chief, before man. You see, a pastor would look in the book. He would read the Bible, and he would translate it in his own beliefs. You know, we needed that during slavery, but we don't need it now. Your pockets will not be filled up with my money because God is free. And I'm going to leave that at that. I shall not judge. Channeling back to Alexis. And this is what I see. On a spiritual note, do you know the name Alexis come from the Greek word in the Catholic manifest? That's why you hear the names of Alexandra, Alex, Alexis. The divine of it all is, it means helper, defender. Do you see what I see? A woman that was trying to defend her soul with complexity of the network. Her family was all she had. Her kids were her everything. They were her arrow. Alexis tell me she would not leave her kids with TJ. Alexis' mom and neighbor and another friend knew that she was in a breaking point to run. People were watching her, she said, following her. She had become paranoid. This is not a federal case, not yet. But Alexis is knowing that she has evidence in her nails. DNA will prove the fact. As they search for Alexis in all the wrong spots in the woods, there's a pine tree in an opening with another pine tree in front of a tree of bush. You can go through there, must I say. Look for the turn prints. Yes, she's missing in body, but not in spirit. A lot of people that don't even know Alexis is feeling her journey, her energy. You see, coming from her abuse and family not understanding her, the energy gravitated to this point. And God knows evil. There was helpers in this. A female located Alexis. Sorry, I'm trying to channel this. She made Alexis whereabouts because she's a part of the network, must I say. This operation is much larger than you guys know. It goes from South Carolina to Atlanta, back to North Carolina. Alexis have a lot of information on this dude. Ooh, wee, because he has murdered before. She knows what he's capable of. Bear with me. Allegedly, Alexis say her little daughter no more than she's speaking. God, peace be still. Justice other deaths as the late young dog and Mo 3 death. The spiritual connection is always there. Why, right before an incident, must I say, a person is always at the gas station being followed like the young dog in Mo 3. Allegedly. Do you see what I see? She went missing after the associate father picked up the kids. But Alexis tell me she did not want to release her kids. He tells the media she's supposed to follow him to his mom's house. Why? She couldn't keep the kids in the car. Do you see what I see? Someone was following her, waiting. Her location was given by what you call a home girl. The home girl that had slept with TJ before, she tells me, allegedly. You see, it's a lot of people in association with her missing. She said. She says she's 30. It's a pink trouser-like shirt she has on. I'm seeing something I don't want to say because of the family. There is mud. A lot of it. It had rain. The ground is soft. She says, some short, brown skin, low haircut dude knows where she's at. Dealing with some Masons that has no empathy. I gotta stop, guys. I can't go any further. I'm sorry. I can't. I gotta respect the family. I gotta respect this little girl that can't even cry. She said, I'm sorry, baby. Allegedly. We need some answers. And they're gonna be delivered. Are you ready for what I say?